It is here. Revelavi. Dominate self-publishing. Push your income to the next level. These strategies help me quit my job, make a full-time living from Kindle publishing. Now revealed. Ooh, so good. Alright. And the best part is, for 24 hours, are you ready? The pricing's so damn good. $197 for 24 hours. Ooh, insane. $397 for the Skype call session with the course, and 1 month of coaching with everything included for $997. Can't beat a deal like that, people. So again, Revelavi.com. I'll have a link below. By the time that you're watching this video, everything is live, ready to go. One-time payment course, no upsells, no monthly payments. One time, $197. I could have priced this at $997, but you know what, guys? There's just no excuse for you to not pick this up if you're a serious publisher. So, $197. You know, just don't drink this weekend. Just don't have fun. You know, just watch the course over the weekend and learn everything that's going on with how to dominate keywords and even get into saturated niches you thought you didn't have access to. Now you do. So, again, Revelavi.com, and I'll provide you a link below. Till next time, guys, I'll see you inside the course.